Welcome to the $10,000 DCA challenge for 2023. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. This is my first crypto challenge for 2023, and this is exactly what I plan on doing. I plan on taking $10,000 and then dollar cost averaging into different cryptos the entire year. The way I will do this is very simple. As you guys know, there are 52 weeks in a year, and if we take $10,000 divided by 52 weeks, we will get $192 that we can invest into crypto every single week. I know $10,000 is not a lot of money and it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but in my opinion, it is the perfect starting point, especially if you plan on dollar cost averaging through this entire bear market. Everyone is always preaching that dollar cost averaging is the best way to go. Investing a small amount of money consistently over time tends to deliver the best results. And now we are going to put that theory to the test. So I have created a simple spreadsheet where I will track every single purchase. I will track the amount of coins or tokens that I'm receiving, the cash value, and so on. As you can see, I have already purchased some Polygon Matic. That is one of the coins that I plan on accumulating in this bear market. I believe Polygon Matic will go way lower than the current price, but I believe it is a great time to start accumulating. I will also build my Ethereum position, buy some Cardano and some Algorand. I might also add some other low cap gems in the mix as well, but those are the four that I plan on accumulating. Obviously, every single week, I will buy a different amount. I might go halfway in all four. I might just put the entire $192.30 into Cardano. I might go half and half, but every single week, it will be different. Obviously, if Matic, Ethereum, and Cardano are up on the day and Algorand is down 5-10% on that day, I will definitely be purchasing some Algorand. Also, 1 year is a very long time. So if there's a brand new project that comes up that I really like, I will probably add it to this list as well. I will also be taking suggestions from my subscribers. So if you guys have a coin that you believe I should invest in, drop it in the comment section below. But please do not suggest Bitcoin, Chainlink, or AirBNB. I will not be investing in those. I already have big positions. My bags are pretty full when it comes to those three coins. They're literally my top three holdings. So anything other than those three, I will take into consideration. Also, if you're wondering where I will be keeping the coins that I purchased, well, here are the places. I'll be keeping them on iTrust Capital. I will be keeping some on Robinhood. I know. And I will be keeping some on Trust Wallet and on MetaMask. The reason I'm picking Robinhood is because it is very well known in the community and it is very simple to use. Also, for all the brand new people jumping into crypto, chances are their first experience is going to be on Robinhood. Also, I will be keeping some on iTrust Capital. Reason why is because of the tax advantages. Also, Trust Wallet and MetaMask, those are also very well known, but they offer a ton of variety and a ton of choices. So those are the four that I will plan on using, and I might use KuCoin in order to purchase some, but I will be withdrawing them from the exchange. That is what I plan on doing. So today is Friday and I have already purchased almost $200 of Polygon Matic. So starting Monday, 3 days from now, I will be looking to make my second purchase. I will try to time it on red days, but if not, I will simply pick a random day in the middle of the week and I will end up purchasing some crypto. Obviously, I will make an update every single week showing you guys exactly what coin I purchased and showing you guys the progress so far. I know a lot of new people are also thinking, bro, do not invest in crypto right now. We are in a bear market. Everything is going lower and lower. In my opinion, that is the perfect time to invest. All of those people that have left the crypto space, they're going to be back in the bull run and they're going to be buying the tops that we will be selling to them. The people that will be accumulating crypto in 2023 will most likely be the same people that will be selling and driving Lambos in 2025, possibly even 2026. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you like these type of challenges, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any suggestions whatsoever, maybe to improve this challenge, let me know in the comment section below as well. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.